Okay, this is one of the ways that you could graph this. Let me be sure I've got the right equation here. X is equal to 5 under the square root of x. So you got x is equal to 5, and to get square root, you click down here to get your keypad, the square root of x. Okay, well, that really didn't do a whole lot. You've got to either make this a subtraction and let it equal 0 to find your solution. Where does that actually equal 0? Well, what were your solutions? Were 0 and 25. So let's see what happens. Let's zoom back out here so you can kind of see. Are we looking, do we see any 0 here? But you know that 0 does work. So I would do y is equal to x, which would be the left side of the original, and then what else could we do? We could do y equals 5 to the square root of x. Now, you see these both contain the 0. So your solution is 0 and 25. When you start squaring and so forth, a lot of times you lose roots, gain roots, and so forth. But this would be it. This is not correct. To me, this is the easiest way to graph, to verify things graphically. Is to solve the left and right side, put those in, and see where they intersect. That would be how I would do it.